First, pick one of your passion, say you like running, baking, or fitness, and put it in this field. By generating the niche, you will have some products to sell: running shoes, running compression gear, running GPS tracker, running treadmill. And here on the links, you can find the category on Amazon. If you click on Google, you can have all your competitors just to see if the niche is great. Or you can click on Uber Suggest just to see if there are many people that search for your keyword. Here, worldwide for example, you have 12,000 people searching for running treadmill on Google every single month. Then you can check the Associates Program Standard Fee Schedule on Amazon websites. I'll give you the link in the description. Then you find your niche and check for the commission rate. Then, back to Evolup, you click on the niche you want and you can generate a site name. As you can see in Evolup, you always have an AI to help you out. I will go for Trade Run, and here you can just click and order the domain name in just a simple click. Or you can see on Google if the domain will advise you to always focus on a single niche so your visitors do not confused with the products you sell. Moreover, it will be easier for you to generate traffic. And second advice, always find a niche that you're passionate about. It will be so much easier for you to create content for it. On Evolup, you have an AI to help you find a great niche. So test Evolup for free by clicking the link in the description. Once you have chosen your niche, it's time to build a great website. Amazon always requires a website to promote their products. I recommend using Evolup as an easy-to-use platform to create a great affiliate marketing store. Setting up an affiliate store on Evolup is about 30 minutes, so it's really quick. Here is a quick overview of the platform. You have a product tab to manage your products. You have an AI tab to create your content. So, inspirations to find product niche, a website name, a slogan, an AI to help you write product description, blog articles, translate every text you want, or rewrite any text you want. You even have an AI to generate advertising for you. You have an SEO tab to manage every SEO features of Evolup, and a content tab to manage the content of your own page, your image manager, any page you want to create, or you can even create a topic cluster if you love SEO. Then, in the small pane, you will have all the design tools available in Evolup. And the last one is the store settings. And you can always ask your questions to a business coach by clicking right here. Then you need to add your products to your store. And see, with Amazon, you can import in one click. So I take my treadmill, I copy and paste it in the field. I want to synchronize the price, promotion, and availability on the product, and then import it. As I told you before, you need to have a website finished before registering to Amazon Associates. So obviously you won't have your partner ID, but don't worry, you can add your partner ID in your affiliate settings, and there you have all the information taken from Amazon. You have the title, you have a reference, you just need a product category, you have a brand, a long description taken from Amazon, some characteristics, the price that is synchronized, and all the photos. So now what you need to do is turn this description into a unique description. So personalize the name and change the long description, and here you can write your product sheet with AI. Your Amazon description is already filled in, and you can generate two descriptions. And there you go, you have two versions, well written, of your long description. You have a copywriting version, and you have an SEO version. You even have frequently asked questions. I will import this one, and then copy and paste it in the long description. Now I only have to put back my titles. Don't forget to always check the text after the AI, because you are the expert. And here, in few minutes, you have a great product description ready to sell. Then all you need to do is choose your design here and create your home page here. And as you can see, to create your home page, you have a list of blocks you just have to import and customize. Then you'll have to join the Amazon Associate program. To do it, click on the link in the description and then you will be here. There you just have to sign up and follow every single steps with the website you built on Evolup.